Alright, I'm replacing the sugar water. The bees consume quite a bit of this fairly quickly, so we have to make sure that we keep this stocked so they have...
You need the lid.
This is my first time doing this, so it might be a little rusty.
The lid, the golden lid. Put the golden lid on the jar.
Again, this is my first time doing this, so it might be a little rusty, as I have stated. Alright, I have put the golden lid on. I am returning the container to the thing, putting the container back. One is done, and now we're going to do the second one. This one has quite a few bees on it. They're like, "What you doing, bro?" Excuse me, guys. Excuse me, fellas. Excuse me, fellas. Pardon me, fellas. I'm trying to give y'all, oops, sorry. Trying to give y'all fresh breakfast. Hold on. Hold on. Need to remove this. Oh! We're good. Lid. My other fresh container. It's my other fresh container. With anything like this, as you do it, you'll get faster and better. So don't be hard on yourself if it's your first time and you don't do it quickly. Just be cognizant. Try not to squish any bees, because if you squish them, they'll make them mad. And that's the last thing we want anyway. Like, there's quite a few in here. I need to get on out of here. Get on out. Alright. Place this one. Alright, we got 2 down. 2 to go. So stop that one.